my first fret daw, first fret. Tap, tap, tap while eating. Carry on, go on. Yan ka lang kumain, same. Let's go! Okay, anong chika? Anong pwedeng chikahin? I don't know what to chika. I'm not prepared with the chika. My brain is scattered. Just got my period yesterday. Share ko lang. Or TMI ako. Is that right? TMI over... Too much information. I just learned that. Because I am out of date. I don't even know what to talk to. But I did my makeup today. I hope you guys like it. Do you know MBTI? What's that? Yeah. It's here. It's just this long, I guess. Ay, hindi pala. Dito lang pala. Oh, my hair is naturally brown dye. Pag maano ng ilaw, I think here. Or black book ko. Pag tumatanda tayo, nagda-darken pala hair natin, no? Because my hair is light brown. I don't know what happened. Or it did dye when I straightened my hair because I was too insecure. And I saw my classmate before, they're doing like straightening their hair. Biggest mistake I've ever done. Pa-Brazilian, pa-rebond ng Brazilian rebond. Happy birthday, Roan! Happy birthday to you, Day. Ay, kagwapa. Mas gwapa ka, Tifilace. Haba na ng hair mo, of course. Don't worry. Pagsikapin nyo na munang tingnan yung book ko habang mahaba kasi time will come, I'm gonna really cut this off. I'm gonna cut off my hair. Because I want to. I like it short. Sorry, guys. I don't like long hair. I like my hair short. I think I preferred it that way. Nagpa-rebond ka ba? Yeah! Nagpa-rebond ako nung I think that was 2014. Because it was too... The Sina man... What Sina in Tagalog? Anong Sina sa Tagalog? Nasuya. Anong nasuya sa Tagalog na nainggit? Oo, yan. Nainggit ako sa mga classmate ko dati kasi ang ganda tingnan during that time. Sikat yun eh. Yun yung time ng mga pa-bebe time. Na alam mo na, nasa ano pa tayo, nasa retro. Ala, di na nag-like. 9 pa, hindi pa nag-20, di pa nga ngalahati. Bilisan nyo na. Para mag-start na tayo. Thank you. Ngayon lang siya maganda, guys. Okay. Crush mo? Yeah, of course. Crush ko pa rin siya, Jack Frost. Ha? Girl. Yes, Bisaya ko, day. Taga Siargao ko, day. Oh my, Maricar. Macardigan. Oh, bruh. I wanna wear a hat because I'm kind of joke lang. No, you already said it. Sabi nga nila, pag nasabi, it's not half meant, it was what you really mean. Kaya, be careful what you say, what you joke around, because that is really how you feel. Chares! Na 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 na. Treat you like a... Ay, ang bilis, ang 13 na. Oh, very good. More pa. Keep liking, keep sharing. We'll sing together. And I hope hindi ko kayo mairita. Indot pagtingog. Na, tay. Ay, lagi, kuan man mo, unsa pa ni, mabula man mo, ay, lagi. Ay, bula. Thank you. Thank you, Day. Arat na, magpa-feeding na daw. Nawa man ko, di man ko makauli ron. Di ko mauli ron na tuig. Yeah, I'm planning not to go home. If I will, maybe. If not, then okay. But I don't want to go home. I want to stay here. Make most of my time here. Okay. And then when you wake up, treat you like a friend. Kantayin ko ang Dalampasigan. I don't know the chords, and I lost my M1, so I can't. Ha? Erin, sino ka ba? Nakita ba kita sa ano? Pakilala ka. Pakita ka. Nasa Iloilo. Amo, supportahan nyo sila, guys. I-support BGYO, okay? At sila Jello. I know, ayan. Thank you, Roan. Bias mo po ngayon. No, I haven't watched it. I can't really tell. I just know the people that I know. And of course, I'm gonna support them. And of course, there are my babies there. So, I'll support them. Really, Sheng? Taga Siargao ka? I heard the balita about the invasion of people. Of the people that shouldn't be there and is taking in charge of Siargao. I don't know. They wanted to invade. I don't know. I don't really. I should shut up. Okay, I'll shut up. Is it real? I hope it's not. About like I saw Marito Kong's, like on the news, and I don't know if it's real. I hope it's not real, but if it's real, I'll pray that everybody. You know what? That was if you know, I was planning to do that once I go home, kasi like I saw like ang mga paliton ba sa ato, it's so mahal na for the locals. Luoy kaayo ang locals, so isn't just right. And of course, let's say na, oh, okay, we're gaining. Yeah, we're gaining the people who are rich, who has the opportunity, who has the resources. They're the ones who's gonna be like malambuon. But the people, no, because nagmahal na ang mga paliton unya. Ang last resort na lang nila is to benta their lupa, which is a wrong move because hamok mag-retail, hamok ka nang magkuan ba, ka nang mag-flip ba ng lupa, kung mag-real estate, daghay mag-ana. So, dako ang ilakita, luoy kaayo ang mga local. So, I was planning like to do jud, kay it's so unfair. And, I don't know, like, it makes me so, I'm emotional kasi may regla ako, so it makes me really sad, like, to see people na they're having a hard time even buying ang mismo na Coke 30, here it's just 15. Tapos it's so small it's so small, it's like this big lang, yung parang cutie siya na mataba, na maliit, na murag tubol murag tubol pero gamay, luy kaayo. Ayan, 20 na, very good, let's sing na, right? Last December did to me nag-vacay amo Lori Bells. God, what is happening to the Philippines? Like, can we impeach the president? Like, I'm tired of him. Mahal jud ang Siargao. It's not just mahal for the tourists, but it's mahal for the locals. That's why it's so sad, because I'm from there. Like, what is happening? Luoy kaayo ang locals kasi ang mabenepisyuhan lang ang mga tao na naay resources. Unya ang mga tao na didto jud nagpuyo, didto nagdako, wala kabalo kung unsaon nila ang ilakuan, ila lupa, kay ang uban dili tanan graduate, dili tanan hindi lahat like really educated about the their rights and their power, actually their power about their lupa. So ang daghay mga kuan, daghay mga kano, daghay dili ra kano, daghay mga foreigners nga take advantage kay gabi ka polite kaayo ang mga tao sa Siargao. Very kind ang tao sa Siargao. Dali ra mamanipula. Kay ako sa una dali ra ko manipula, and now I understand why, because I grew up there, and while I was growing up there, I saw, and while I was here in Manila, when I went back, I saw how am I before to how am I right now. So who am I right now? I'm wide open. My eyes are wide open. But when I saw, if I look back, I was so naive. So they're like babies. So looy kaayo. Like I feel so sad. So since it's already 13 na, I'm gonna sing. Let's pray for them, and while we pray for them, let's sing Goodness of God. Pray for them. Let's go. Kinabahan ako ngayon ko lang. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. In every breath that I am able, and I will sing of the goodness of God. faithful. All my life you have been so good. And every breath that I am able, and I will sing the goodness of God, and I will sing the goodness of God. Yan. Guys, di ko maramdaman yung pa ako. I can't feel my legs. Nagtililing-tililing siya, guys. Nagkuryente-kuryente siya. So, gilok. So, ang tawag nito? I cannot say the word. I don't know. Amen, diba? Butan kayo ang Ginoo. And I pray for everybody who's watching right now. I pray for every one of you. I hope you guys are doing well with your life. And if you guys have problems, it's okay to have problems. It's normal. We're humans. We're not perfect. We do mistakes. And just surrender it all to God. And have your time. Take your time to, absorb it. Take your time. Because just take your time, because this is not a race. It is not a race. Success is not a race. You live your life. It's your life at the end of the day. And just pray, surrender it to God. We are walking, navigating life in our own faith, pace, and with God. We are different people. But somehow we are connected because we're connected through Christ. All of us. I never believe everyone is the same. I never believe everyone have the same problem. The same but different. I'll say that. Somehow, yes, it is. Because sometimes we are the people. We became the people that we need. That's how it is. That's how I see it right now. And I believe that's why there are people that are kind, because that's the people they prayed that had been there for them. I'm proud of you too, all of you. Okay. Ano na for... May request kayo dyan. May nakita kong only exception. You can sing that. Okay. I'll sing that for you. Keep the like up. Keep the like up, okay? Keep sharing the live. Guys, thank you. Kang, ang ganda-ganda ni Miss Liza, Kang. I feel... I feel like a cucumber. Pero, yung cucumber na ang daming tusok-tusok. Thank you. Sometimes I don't feel like it, but thank you. You guys make me feel good. Thank you. Only exception. Okay, I'll do this. You guys can request if you want to. There are songs here. There is You're Still the One. There is I saw kasi sa some of the songs I don't know and it's hard the chords, but there is one that got my attention. You're Still the One. I like this. The Shania that I love. Shania that I love. That's the Shania that I love. Okay. And Pasalubong. I saw somebody message me saying Gone by Rosé daw. Tapos may nagsabi din, nag-message sa akin ng Bittersweet daw. So, ayun. You're still the one, yeah, I'm gonna sing that. So, alin dyan yung ilalas kong song? Shout out! Shout out to Jadon Lopez, my love, my whole life. Mayos ka. That's for Jadon. Jadon only. I miss you too, Binkay. Shout out to you, Jenny. Storya sa OG Bisaya. I can't all the time kasi may nanonood din na Tagalog. So, as much as possible, I'll try to be dialectual. Because I'm speaking, if we are here in the Philippines, so I'm speaking two dialects. It's in dialect din ba ang Tagalog, no? One dialect and two language. I'm duolingual and a dialectual person. If it makes sense. I hope it makes sense though. Well, it's not hindi kasi lingwahe ang dialekta ang Bisaya. Hi! Hello! So, what can we do? Sising pala ako. Okay. What's the song again? Only exception. Kaya ba yung pabutin ng 100? Let's go, people! What are you doing? Okay, what? Wait? I know, I'm reading aloud. That's my technique. Kasi may din kami, may gag and go. So, ang ginagawa ko para hindi matigas yung Bisaya ko, nagbabasa ako ng something, like, ang tawag ito? I forgot. Tula, aloud. Yes. I know Amethyst. It's so I love the people there. I always have fun being with them. Like, what? They're great people. Ate Alora, Josh, Kuya Jude, Binsuy, Kuya Mati, and our guest. And I love them. Sijon. Oh my God, Sijon is so funny. 2, 3, 4, 5. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry, curse at the wind. Broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. My mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'll never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. Oh, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are, thank you, the only exception. Love. Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts. And we've gotta find other ways to make it alone. Thank you, love. Keep us straight-faced. And I've always lived like this. a comfortable distance. And up until now, I had sworn to myself that I am content with loneliness, because none of it is even worth the risk, or ever worth the risk. Well, baby, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception, baby. You are the only exception. Take grip on reality, but I can't let go of what is in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up, and leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. Whoa. 'Cause baby, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception, baby. You are the only exception. On my way to believe in. Okay, that was anong tawag nun? That was the only exception. Only exception. Sige. Dapat umabot ng 100. Pili kayo anong next. Pasalubong, You're Still the One. Or, feeling ko You're Still the One yung ilalas natin. Diba? My best mistake. Thank you. Should we do that? Should we make it the last? Okay. Ang baso ko. You're Still the One ilast. Ilast natin, sayang. It's pretty pa naman. I love the song. Still the one I want to. When I met you. When I met you. Hindi ko na-practice yan, ate. What happened to your lips? It's dry. And nagkasugat siya. So, yeah. So, I was like... Gulat ako. Thank you, love. Thank you so much. Thank you, my best mistake. I am gulat with that. I is gulat. Hindi naman yan same ng generation. Hindi naman yan the same ng generation. It's okay. Can you sing a Carpenter song? Well, I can try. Thank you, my best mistake. Sige, after we do something next. O, pili. Pili kayo anong ilalas. Press 1 kung ilalas natin yung You're Still the One. Press 1, press 1. Till I met you. Yun nga. Sinong kumanta? Who sang Can't Cry Hard Enough? Next na lang. Thank you. Thank you, love. Thank you, Miss Mistake. Ah, okay. It's Olivia Dean. Apo King. Apo Hiking or Apo Kings? I am so not in my head right now. Thank you, Miss Mistake. Ang cute ng butterflies. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Tsaka yung crown. It's so cute. Apo Hiking Society yun. When I met you. Okay. Last na yung You're Still the One. I really like that song. I heard Jada, like I listened to her, like the cover. It's so good. Still the One is last. Okay, so kantahin natin to. I have, like, it's a new song. It's from one of my favorite artists, si Madison Beer. So, ito na lang muna kantahin ko. Tapos, sino yung o pili, itong Madison Beer na Bittersweet or Pasalubong next. Nash, Elijah, is it Elijah? Hello, thank you. Pili. Okay, 1 for Pasalubong, 2 for Bittersweet. Okay, pili. 1 for Pasalubong, 2 for Bittersweet. Ay, daming nag-2. Okay, daming nag-2. So, unahin natin 2. May din nagwa 1, pero paulit-ulit lang yung pips. 1! Okay, for Ate Phyllis, let's go. Let's go for, here we go. Okay, wait, let's check the Asus. I forgot about the Asus again. This one is I know it's an easy chord, but it's really hard to remember. What is happening? Okay, what is happening, sister? Okay, there we go. And let's try to add something. Ala, di na kayo nag-like. Ano yan? Di na nagla-like. Second na lang natin, Bittersweet. Next song na lang. You can guys request. I hope I know the song. I'm really trying my best because the songs that you guys request are like, the songs that I listen to are not the trending songs. The trending songs do not resonate with me. Somehow. I don't resonate with them. But the songs that are low-key, may mga gine-gatekeep kasi akong artist na I don't wanna share to anybody. So it's like gatekeeping them. And I hope sumikat sila. Asus. Asus. Chord. Now that it's over, blame it no on me. I swear I'm done crying, but baby, right now I'm bittersweet. I'm getting over what you put me through. I say I'm done crying, but baby, I don't mind like you do. You do. You do. 'Cause right now I'm bittersweet. You do. I'm one of that person. Okay, like I want to keep it for myself. Like, come on, guys, it's mine. I'm that. Okay, suspended. A played. Oh, it's at the center. What are you talking about? The question if the sounds resonate. Okay. That's why, kasi it's taas. Di ko alam kung may pag-asa ba sa'yo. Sa iyo,